Good morning, students. Chapter 5, exercise 5.2. In this exercise, we learned about common multipliers. What is the meanings of common? So suppose like this 3 and 6. Okay. In 3 tables, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, and 3 sixes are 18. Okay. In 6 tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, okay, 6 threes are 18, okay. So suppose like that with 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Okay, then 6 10. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, and 6 tens are 60. This is the multiplies of 3 and this one is the multiply of 6. And what is the common number in both the numbers? So 6 common multipliers. Okay. So then next one 12 and then 18. Okay. 6, 12 and 18 common multipliers of 3 and 6. 3 and 6. So 6, 12 and 18 is the common multiply of 3 and 6. Then after here, use the number line and then after find out multiplies. Those 2 multiplies and 4 multiplies. So 2 multiplies means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. Okay, then same thing, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 tens are 40. Okay, this one is the 2's multiplies. 2 ones are selected to 20s are. Then after 4 multiplies, so 4 ones are to 4 tens are. Okay, then common multiplies. Which one number is common in both the? Then 4. Okay, then 8. Then after 12 and 16, then after 20. Okay, so write down here 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 are the common multiplies of 2 and 4. Okay, same way you find out 2 and 3, 5 and 10 and 4 and 6. Okay, same way you find out. So first is second and 3. So 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So first write down 2 stable, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. Then write down 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Okay, what is the common multipliers of 2 and 3? Then 2 and 3 common multiplies is equals to 6. Okay. Then after 12. Then after 18. Done. Okay. Then 6, 12 and 18. Then second 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Then 5 table and 10 table write down here. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, and 5 10s are 50. 7 8 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90, and 10 10s are 100. Okay, then 5 and 10 common factor. The common factor is 10 7, 27, 37, 40, then 50. Then write down 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 are the common multiplies of 5 and 10. Then last question 4 and 6. Okay. Same way you find out 4 and 6. Third one 4 and 6. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 32, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, and 4 10s are 40. Same way 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, and 6 10s are 60. Okay. So common multiplies of 4 and 6 is equals to then 12. Then after which one number common? 24. Then after 36. Okay. Done. Then 4, 12, 24 and 36 are the common multiplies of 4 and 6. My dear students, then our next topic was there properties of factor. Okay. Properties of factor means 1 is the factor of all numbers. 1 is the smallest factor of a number. A number is the factor of itself. A number itself is the greatest factor of itself. The factor of a number is smaller than or equals to the number. Every number has the least factor, that is 1 and number itself. Okay, so using both the method are there. Using multiplies you find out factor, using division method find out factor. Okay, so first using multiplies. First way is there using multiplies. Then second method is there using division method. Okay, so using multiplies, how can we find out? Find the factor using multiplies. Okay, so first question is there 16, second one 21, 35 and 4 36. Okay, my dear students, 16 find factor using multiplies. So what you do? 16 in 16 table means 16 ones are 16. Okay, then after 2 8s are 16, 2s are 16. Okay, 8 2s are 16, write down. Then 2 8s are, second time not repeat this one. Okay, then any table ends off with 16? No. Okay, so write down 16 factors. Okay, factor of 16 is equals to first 1, then 16, then 2, 8 and 4. Okay, one number not repeat again. Okay, then after 21, so 21 ones are 21, 7 threes are 21. Okay, so factor of 21 is equals to 1, 21, then 7 and 3. Okay, 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, 1 is the factor of every number, and then biggest factor of number is number itself. Okay, 1 and number itself both the factor of this number. 35 ones are 35, then 7 5s are. Okay, so factor of 35 is equals to 1, 35, 7 and 5. Then after 36. 36 ones are 36. Okay. 9 4s are 36. 12 3s are 36. Then 18 2s are 36. Okay. Then after 6 6s are also 36. This one is the multiplies. Okay. So factor of 36 is equals to 1, 36, 9, 4, 12, 3, 18, 2 and 6. Okay, all are the factor of 36. Then next method, find the factor using division method. Okay, then how can we find out division method? Find the factor using division method. In division method, 18, okay, 25, then third one, 39, and 4, 42. Okay, my dear students, what we do, first of all, 18 divided by 1. Okay, 1 ones are 1, then 8, 1 8s are 8. Okay, so 1 is the factor of 18, then 2, 18, 2 9s are 18, so 0 0, so 2 is the factor of 18. Then after 3, 3 6s are 18, so 0 0, so 3 is the factor of 18. Then after 4, so 4 4s are 16. Okay, 2 is quotients. Okay, so that's why 18's factor is equals to 1, 18, 1, 2, 3 and number itself 18. Because of 1 and number itself factor of this given number. Okay, so 2 and 3 also factor of 18. Then after 25. Okay, 25, 1 2s are 2, 0, then 1 5s are 5. So 1 is the factor of 25. Then after 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, 5, 2 2s are 4. So 2 is not factor of 25. Then after 3, 3 7s are 21. So 4 remainder is there. So 3 is the not factor of 25. Then after 4 6 are 24. Also 1 remainder is there. So 4 is the not factor of 25. 5 5s are 25. So 5 is the factor of 25. So factor of 25 is equals to 1, 5 and number itself. Okay. Then next 39. 39. First one divided. 1 3s are 3, 0, 9. 1 9s are 9. So 1 is the factor of 39. Then 2 here. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 remainder is there. So not factor of 39. Then 3. 3 1s are 3. 0. 3 3s are 9. 0. Okay. So factor of 39 is equals to 1, 19, 13. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And 1, then 2, 3, and number itself 39. Okay. The next one 42. Fourth one is 42. So 42. 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. 0. So 1 is the factor of 42. Then 2. 2 2s are 4. 0. 2 here. 2 1s are 2. So 2 is also factor of 42. Then after 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So 3 is also factor of 42. Then after 4. So 4 1s are 4. Remainder 2 is there. So 4 is the not factor of 42. So factor of 42 is equals to 1, 2, 3 and number itself means 42. Okay, my dear students, in page number 75 check if the first number is a factor of the second number. Tick right if yes or cross out if not. So 5 and 80. Okay, in 5 table 5 divide by 5, yes. So 16 5s are 80. So factor of 5 is the factor of 80. Then yes, right. 8 is the factor of 140, yes. Then 10 150, yes. Then 15 and 180 not. Then after question number E, complete the following factor, then goes to the find the factor of the given number. In write down cloud, okay. So here rainbow is given. What do you do? First question is there 12. 12 is the given number. Okay. Then 1, 2 and 3. Here 3 round is given. Then second question is 30. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. My dear students, 12. So first write down here 1, then 2, here 3. Okay. So 12 divided by 1. What we get answer? 12. So here write down 12. Then after 12 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. Then what we get answer? 6. Then write down 6 here. Then 12 divided by 3. What we get answer? 4. Then write down here 4. Same way here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4 is not divided by 30. So 5. So 30 divided by 1. What we get answer? 30. Then write down here 30. Then 30 divided by 2. What we get answer? 50. Then write down here 50. 30 divided by 3. So what we get answer? 10. Then write down here 10. 30 divided by 4 is not possible. Okay, so 30 divided by 5. What we get answer? 6. So I write down here 6. My dear students, here are exercise 5.2 over. Okay, and common factor, multiplies and division, both the method are clear. Okay, I hope that you are very understanding this exercise. Thank you very much.